Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn uh, fix a problem where when your applications on Play Store they can't update, like you can't update the applications in Play Store. So if you want to fix that problem, you need to pick here in the application. Without entering the application, you need to pick here for a few seconds, and you got two options: remove and app info. So you need to pick here in app info, and here you need to do two things. The first thing is pick here in force stop. You receive the application, and after that you need to go to the option of storage and cache, and here in storage and cache you need to go here in the down right corner and pick in clear cache. So after that you receive your application, and the more sure is your application is fixed. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.